How to upgrade to Polybuzz.ai premium features. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Once you are in your profile, look for the upgrade or premium option, usually highlighted in a different color or with a brown icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it to view the available subscription plan. You will see different premium packages with your features and pricing. Take a moment to read through the benefits, which may include unlimited AI-generated posts, access to advanced template, premium AI characters, multi-role interactions, and priority support. Select the plan that best fits your needs and tap subscribe or upgrade. You may be prompted to confirm your payment method through your app store or in-app payment system. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. After a successful upgrade, your account will have immediate access to all premium features, allowing you to create more advanced AI content, use exclusive templates, and enjoy a smoother experience on Polybuzz.ai. Now you know how to upgrade to Polybuzz.ai premium features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.